Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make a bingo card in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here, Canva, search it to Google. Then go Canva and log into your ID and password. After logging in, you will find a search bar here. Just click on this and write bingo card. Press enter from your keyboard. After pressing enter, you will find many bingo card templates here. You have to just choose one and start customizing by yourself. So let's choose this one. If you want to customize this, go here, customize this template. After clicking on this, you will be seen a portion like this. You can edit everything you want, like I'm showing you before. I'm showing you right now. Just click on this. If you want to change the background color, you can see here background color and change any color. Okay, so if you want to change this bingo color, text color, double click, go here, text color, and you will find many colors. If you want to make this love red, just click on this and go color and make it red. See, this love is red right now. Now if you want to change the number, special days, special numbers, this is like your hug day, and you can make this day your kiss day. Okay, so if you want to color this, or if you want to bold this, just double click and you will find bold here. Click on bold, it will be bold. If you want to color it, go text color, make it red, it will be red. Okay guys, so if you want to add any elements here, like 25 is your chocolate day, so you can choose this and go elements, right here chocolate, and press enter. You will find many chocolate here. Just choose one. Chocolate, like this. If you click on this, it will be here. Then you can resize it your mouse with this, and you can drag it in your day like this. 25 is a chocolate day. So guys, after completing your editing, how you can download it, go share, and you can see here download. If you click on download, this work will be downloaded in your system. Or if you want to share it with someone via email, go here, collaborate link, click here, and you will find anyone with the link. Click on this and write here the email address you want to share with, and press send from here. After pressing send, this work will be sent to that email address. Okay guys, so basically this is how you can customize or make a bingo card in Canva. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.